Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are looking at Algorand or Algo, currently ranked at 45 with a market cap of about $749 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $17.95 million, and today we are going to be looking at the chaos before the fireworks right here for Algorand, right? So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, right? So without further ado, we are on the chart right here for Algorand. Algorand versus the USD dollars. We are on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And right here, we have started by drawing all our support and resistance levels, and this is our primary scenario. We are expecting one more push to the downside and then another push to the upside, right? And that's what we said, that we are expecting one more chaos right there to the end of the month, right here in September, and then we could see a huge fireworks right here for Algorand in October. Remember, if we just look at the volume profile, as you can see, we are still having some little selling price action taking place right here on the volume profile, right? But we always said this, that the markets are usually very chaotic in September. We usually have been saying that this is the fake out before the main push to the upside, right? So we said September is usually more of a chaotic month, sideways price action, push to the downside. As you can see, this is the general percentage in the crypto market, and in September we always see a negative push, while in October we always, like clockwork, always recover right in October and see a very huge push to the upside, right? So we normally said this, we have been saying this, right? We are going to see some little chaos, probably a push to the downside as we end the month before we see that huge push to the upside. And if we go right back down to higher time frames for Algorand, as you can see, we are getting rejected by the Dosian channel, so we should expect one more push right back to the downside. Same thing we are seeing on the MACD, the MACD forming some sort of bearish divergence, right? As you can see, volume is very reducing, momentum is reducing on the RSI. We are also seeing huge bearish divergence, a push to the downside right here for Algorand. And also, if we look at the stochastic also playing into our main scenario, that we could see one last push to the downside over the next few days before we see a push to the upside, right? So that is what we call that the chaos before the fireworks, right? So we could see one more push to the downside and then see that huge push to the upside. So do not be scared. Do not be fretted out by the fake out. Basically, we could just see one more push right before we see that fireworks right there in October, right? So this is the time to begin to buy. As you can see, September, always the worst month. We always like clockwork recover in October. So that's the analysis. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.